stuff. It is in fact just a 3-day trip. I did film a little bit of my packing, so you'll see how overpacked I was. But we're on the road. Heading into a tunnel. Alright, we're doing a quick pit stop, got some gas, went to the restroom, filled up, ready to continue up the mountain. We've got about an hour and a half of the drive left. I know the road curves, but it looks like we're just gonna run into that big rock. Ah, there we go. Turning away. Beautiful. Perfect. Lovely.
Continue onto Colorado 82 East, then turn left at Grand Avenue.
We have arrived. We're here. All right, let's go.
Hi there.
Hello.
Checking in.
Yes, we are.
Front desk is straight ahead. Thank you. We left it.
Ooh,
And a beautiful.
so pretty. Quick room tour, don't mind our luggage. So this is the sitting room. We have our, thank you for the lights. Our vintage sofa. A very regal chair. Little table. We've got our wet bar and a microwave. TV stand. Bedroom. 2 queen beds, very nice. It's a long dresser, wow. Another entrance to the room. I'm gonna lock that right now so we don't forget. There we go. Closet with a mirror. Nice. Okay. Oh, I love the tile. Bathroom. So cute. Adorable. Time to settle in. Here's our view. Beautiful mountain view. Here's the other view. Let's see. Ah, we can see the hot springs. Is it the hot springs or is that just a pool?
Nope, that's the hot springs.
We can see the hot springs.
Hot springs and the bridge to go over to the city.
for dining later.
So exciting. Hot Springs. Oh, there's our hotel. Oh, it's pretty.
Isn't that beautiful?
Beautiful. Heading downtown.
We always park down there.
Yeah. Don't need to do that anymore. Look at this cute little gazebo bit.
Yep. Even the trees are pretty.
There's live music. Maybe.
Well, we're 7.
Okay, we are waiting for our dinner. We have cocktails. Oh, set mine down. Cheers. Cheers. We're sitting randomly on some steps upstairs from the restaurant because the hostess said they'd come find us. So here we are.
Breakfast of champions.
Coffee, donuts, cookies, oranges. We're having fruit.
And oranges.
Good morning. We are about to head up the hill, do some skiing.
See this?
Down the hill. Done skiing for the day. Alright, we are back from skiing and we are about to go across the street to the hot springs. But I film on my phone and I don't want to risk it in the pool, so you guys are staying here. And we will see you after. We'll be right there. Just imagine that person right there is me. Okay, bye. All right, we just finished at the hot springs. We got showered and dressed, well, one of us, and
Well, I am dressed.
she put on pants, it's fine. We have left the hotel, we are now walking to our dinner, but what did you think of the hot spring?
Don't know that it was worth it. I've gone for many, many years, but they're in the middle of renovation, and the length that you have to walk in a swimsuit in the cold to get to the water, and then certainly back when you're wet,
Yeah.
may not be worth it right now.
Yeah, it was a little cold. There was a line,
A very long line to get in.
and I think it's a little expensive for what it is currently.
Yeah.
But they are doing renovations, so it might get even better. Who knows? We're gonna give it another shot once they're done with renovations.
Yes. Yeah, and it was a long distance from the pool to get to the hotter part, and the pool was a little too cool to just hang out in.
Yeah, agreed. So we are now going to the Canyon Brewpub. I'll update you all there.
Okay.
Come on, quick shot of the food. Move that hand. Ready? Done with skiing for the day. Cleaning off the muck. It's very warm and everything's sort of melting, but we still had excellent skiing, so good day. That's cute. Tubing on the Colorado. And the bridge. And our beautiful hotel.
Okay, ready? Smile. Check all of those.
morning, all. It's Monday. It's the final day of vacation. We're getting ready to head home. We've finished packing up and we're about to head down and eat some breakfast. Second breakfast, technically, because we had donut holes this morning. So we're gonna eat some breakfast and then we're gonna hit the road. We'll stop for lunch on the way and then it'll be home sweet home and see the puppies. We're all packed up, waiting for Mom to bring the car around. Oh, the love. Oh, the love. Oh. Did you miss me? Oh. I think yes. Oh. Yes. Oh, yes. I love you too. Yes, I love you too. Yes. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Franklin. Whew. Take it down. Oh, like 6 notches, baby. There you go. Anyway, we've made it home. Ski trip is officially over. Back with my boys. Time to unpack, unwind, and get ready to go back to normal life. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this vlog, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in a future video. Bye.